Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting perfume from essential oils. First, let's understand the basics. Perfumes are built on 3 fragrance notes: top, middle, and base. Top notes are light and evaporate quickly, while base notes provide depth and last the longest. Selecting high-quality essential oils is crucial for a lasting scent. You'll also need a good carrier oil, such as jojoba or fractionated coconut oil, to dilute your essential oils safely and effectively. This foundation is key to a beautiful, enduring fragrance. When selecting your essential oils, think about the notes. Base notes like sandalwood or patchouli are the foundation, lasting up to 6 hours or more. Middle notes such as lavender or rose provide the heart of the fragrance, lasting for 2 to 4 hours. Top notes like citrus or peppermint are the first impression, fading within 30 minutes to 1 hour. A balanced blend, typically with more base and middle notes, ensures a complex and enduring aroma that evolves beautifully on your skin throughout the day. Proper dilution is essential for safety and scent longevity. Essential oils are potent and must be diluted to prevent skin irritation. A common ratio is 20 to 30% essential oil blend to 70 to 80% carrier oil. Jojoba oil is excellent as it's stable and odorless. Alternatively, 95% grain alcohol can be used as a base, allowing the perfume to spray and diffuse more broadly. Always ensure your chosen carrier complements your essential oils without overpowering their natural aroma, creating a harmonious blend. Once you have your blended essential oils and carrier, combine them in a dark glass bottle. Dark glass protects the oils from light degradation, preserving their potency. The most crucial step for a long-lasting perfume is aging. Allow your mixture to sit for at least 2 to 4 weeks, or even longer, in a cool, dark place. This aging process allows the scents to meld and deepen, creating a more complex and enduring fragrance. Store your finished perfume away from direct sunlight and heat to maintain its quality for many months.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.